Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how I paint these. I use watercolor to paint these cherries. I just think they're so cute. And then, oh, I'm getting bumped by my dog. He's under the table. So then when I'm all done, I will show you how I use them on journal cards. They're so cute. And then I might show you another little fruit that I worked on, and then who knows, but yep, let's just do some cherries. They're super easy. Again, disclaimer, I am not a professional watercolorer. I just watercolor how I like to watercolor. So I'm gonna show you how I do my cherries. Uh-oh, my boy keeps moving. Put some right here. All right, so it's almost like a heart. I go like this, and then I just kind of, they all turn out a little different, and I shape them as I go too. I'll make it a little more bulby or roundy. I don't know what the word is. This one I forgot to put that white. That would be like, what would that be called? It's like, oh, like if light was reflecting on it maybe. But I'll do it on this next one so I can show you how I do it. There's a million ways to make these, and you can add the white after, but I do it this way because I think it's way easy. I'm not trying to make them look like professional cherries. I'm trying to make them look like, you know, wonky, cute, just, you know. So I just go like this, and I just make a mark, I don't know what, like a space with the white, and I just leave the white not painted. I have done the stems and the leaves. This one I painted as I went, or did I do that after it dried? I think after these dried I did the stem. But I also really like the black and white just drying on them after. I don't know which one I like better, but this, I don't know, this is easier, I guess, but you can definitely let those dry and then add the stem. So I do like a few. I did a green one earlier. I can't move this, but it's, let's see. No, it must not be here, but these are some that are dry that I was just gonna draw the stems on just to show you how I do it. But yeah, let's see. This is like a kind of like a pinky color. You can make them huge, you can make them small, whatever you want to do. I just love cherries. I love, love, love strawberries and cherries, like in the art world. So I got a lot of water on here. Too much water. So I'll spread it around. You can make a single cherry too, like I've done some singles instead of like the group, the two, you know, whatever that's called, the doubles. And since watercolor, oops, I dipped in the wrong color. Oh well. I just go in and drop a little more color. You can make greenish yellow ones, which, yeah, like I said, I made one of those. I'm gonna make that one be a single one because it's pretty big. What color do I want to do? I just do reds and pinks mostly. Try to make these a little smaller. So it's almost like you're drawing a heart. And then I use these watercolor brushes that I got at Walmart, like 3 of them. You can put water in here and squeeze it. I just don't. I don't know why, but that's actually the point of these. I like them because you can, since I'm not, you know, a really good watercolorer, you can really direct, you're more like drawing, you know. So I feel like it's easier for me to try to make my stuff look like what I want it to look like. I have other normal brushes too, but I like this one a lot. It comes in, I don't want to drip on my page, but it comes in a thicker one too. But aren't they cute? So you get my drift. In a minute, I'll show you what I did with one of them. If you're familiar with my channel. Okay, I had to edit out a little section because my dog, my Chocolate Lab Charlie over here, decided she was just gonna start barking for no reason. So what I was saying is, if you're familiar with my channel, you've probably seen a thumbnail for a recent video that shows how I use one of these cherries. But they can be used for a million things. You could do art journaling with them, whatever. I'm just gonna show one method of my madness. I'll do this other cherry and then I'll show you a little bit kind of how I decorate them. Not decorate, but add the stems. And I do have 2 videos up that show how to make masterboards, or just like my method. So you might want to watch those, because the stuff I'm making right now, if you're not familiar with making the masterboards, which I'll show you the pieces right here. So I've cut them up. Basically a masterboard is a big piece of paper and you collage with paper. So I've cut them up after I was done with the collage, and I have a huge stack of them with different collaged papers. So you don't have to see them all, but I'm building on what I'm trying to do with each video. So, because the videos are just too long to do the whole thing, I think. Take probably hours and hours to upload. So anyways, the masterboard videos are like my last 2 maybe. Watch those, and then all the videos that I'm doing with collage fodder, that's what I'm making to put on the masterboard pieces now that they're cut out. So if you want to follow along making basically journal cards or art journal cards, ATCs, that's what I'm kind of doing here. Oops, I said that was my last one. All right, we'll make this a single cherry. But just practice. Don't be hard on yourself on any of this. It's just wonky is good. It doesn't have to be perfect. Because once they're cut out, they look so cute, even if they're not perfect, shaped cherries. So, okay. Now that I've got some painted, oh, there's my strawberries. I take, let's see. Where is my pen? I gotta find it. So I'm using this pen. I gotta double check I'm in frame because he moved my table. Watch out, buddy. Yeah. So I use this Faber-Castell. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's FH. You can use any type of drawing pen. This is just what I'm using. And I just add a stem. Nothing fancy really, just like that. And then you can add 1 leaf or 2 leaves. I just doodle. And then that's what, basically these ones are. And then I will show you. Let me move this. So this is what I made. I glued one onto one of these masterboard pieces and decorated so it's a cute card. And I also have a video on painting these strawberries. So if you want to check that out, because I have a couple done right here. And I was thinking about gluing one onto one of these pieces to see how cute it would be. Need like even 2 would be cute. What, buddy? I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use it on. That has strawberry background. Kind of like that one. But yeah, you can check out that video to make the strawberries. I'll link these videos I'm referring to in the description in case you do want to check them out. I also have a playlist called Mixed Media, so I'll pin that in the comments, and it'll have this stuff in there too. And if you guys would like to see more masterboard making, me make more masterboards, let me know. I'm happy. I love making them. I think they're so relaxing. I could flip through these and look at them like a lot. I think they look so cool. Not cool. What's the word? I don't know. They're just every one is unique. And I did do these. Oh, I did these on a watercolor, 140-pound watercolor paper, so they're nice and thick. And I'll show you a couple over here that are done. Maybe I should move this so it doesn't. I don't know. So here's one that is a flower that I did a while ago. I think I dyed my own paper for that one. Made this one recently. And that, I have a video for these, making these stenciled botanical pieces. I will link that as well, and that is with this video as well. This one I just added, I don't know what it's called, like a nylon flower, I guess. And then I stamped a circle and put it on there. Nothing crazy, but this is my favorite one. And then the strawberry one. Let's see. I wouldn't mind adding some pink distress ink to it. I have to find my distress ink pad for the pink one, which I'm not gonna be able to find right now. All right, buddy. Shh, buddy. I might not be able to see this, but it just adds a little bit. And then I could add, let's see. See if anything comes, oops. I have my little bin of just stuff, bits and bobs. Oh, I like this. You could send these in Happy Mail. You could cut them down to the size of an ATC if you're into making ATCs. Doing Masterboards is excellent for those. So just, you know, I could round the edges too, but I kind of like, oops, that's coming up. I kind of like it square right now. Like them square. I just think they're cute. I don't know if I'm the only one, but anyways, back to cherries. So you got the cherries. Go make some cherries and let me know what you make with them, because I think they're just adorable, and I hope you have as much fun as I do making wonky stuff. And again, there is a strawberry video in there, which I show how I decorate them too. These aren't quite ready, but yeah. So happy Saturday, everybody, and I will see you soon. And if you would like to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like my content, that would be great. It totally helps me out. If you don't want to do that, that's fine too. Talk to you later.